Well, we got Stuff the Bus going on outside the station this morning. Many kids are getting ready to go back to school. Now, joining me this morning is Dr. Suprenant from Buckeye Health Plan to discuss why parents need to make sure their children are up to date on their vaccinations. It's kind of crazy to think some kids will be going back to school in just 2 weeks. What do parents need to know about getting those shots?
Well, school is starting right away, like you said, Nate, and now it's time to call and get your physical scheduled with your doctor. Immunizations being up to date is critical. The schools require it, state law. And so you don't want to have any interference with that. But also it's very important to children's health to be updated on the immunizations. Children who are entering preschool, kindergarten, 7th grade, and 12th grade will all have new immunizations that they're required to get at that time.
Now, I know it gets super busy this time of year at doctors' offices. Obviously, there's sports coming up as well before the school year even starts. Is it important to also schedule physicals for that reason as well?
Absolutely. So the sports physical would be part of their preschool physical, but children who are going to enter sports definitely would want to go now and get their physical taken care of.
What kind of other health screenings do parents need to be looking out for as they get their kids ready to go back?
Well, August is going to be Children's Eye Health and Safety Month. And so we're emphasizing the importance of eye health. So getting an eye exam would be critical for children. Detecting eye disease early can make a huge difference. That if the child can't see well, that can interfere with their ability to do well in school, social activities, and actually even with athletic activities.
I know many parents sitting at home right now, their kids are sleeping in a little bit because they don't have to go to school. How important is it to get it back into some of those healthy routines?
Critical. So several days before school is going to start, you want to put your child through a routine that would be like what's going to be on the first school day. So going to bed early, setting the alarm, getting up early, going through all the school routines, and then also planning healthy snacks and healthy meals for the child during school days.
Some of that meal planning ahead of time can really help families get out the door a lot faster, but also kind of help them with their healthy routines.
Absolutely. And it can reduce the stress on the child. So not only the healthy diet is helpful to the child not being stressed, but going through the routine in advance so the child knows what's coming up and is already practicing it really makes a big difference.
A lot of people watching right now may not have those physicals scheduled, but as the weeks go on, doctors' offices are only going to get more busy and busy. How important is it to get them scheduled sooner rather than later?
I think it's very valuable. There is some leeway with the school systems in terms of allowing them some time to catch up. If they call the doctor and he says, well, I can't see you for a few weeks, they're still going to be okay, but the sooner you call, the better it's going to be.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Suprenant, for joining us this morning. Our time now is 8:27.